Uh, that is the Nios D.El.Ed. That is all the petitioners, they are D.El.Ed from the Nios. Their online application start from today. This goes up to 18. Their name is not featured. D.El.Ed for they are D.El.Ed candidates from the NIOS. Their name ought to feature in the list, but their name list not. For what? For include for documentation. In relation, in connection with which selection? 2022 selection process. The notification issued on 30. What is the stage of that selection process? Document verification. Document. Yes. So their names not featured in the publish the West Bengal Board of Primary Education publish this list manner, but the petitioner's name not featured in the list. They ought to feature in the list. So is it your grievance that they are not being treated as trained candidates? No, we don't know. Because of that, one of the Supreme Court passed two orders. One is that before this Kaushik order, Supreme Court says that whosoever D.El.Ed from the NIOS, they are entitled to participate in the selection process for promotional post or for new selection. They misconstrue the Jaivis Singh judgment. And the West Bengal Board of Primary Education not give a chance a single candidate. Thereafter, some of the candidates went up to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court passed the order that yes, NIOS D.El.Ed, they are the fittest candidate for the selection process. But subsequently, the Supreme Court passed the order, the appellant is allowed. They only allowed those appellants who are before the Supreme Court, not the other candidate who are before the High Court. So, what is the last date of 18th? How many candidates? 60 to 70. 60 to 70? Yes, 8 petitions are there. 60 to 70.
I have a similar case. There are around 200 candidates. What happened in 2017-19? NIOS D.El.Ed degree is, by order of the Supreme Court, it is valid. NCT published a notification directing all the states to consider the same. Subsequently, Honorable Supreme Court clarified its judgment, stating that degree is valid. The board, by misinterpreting judgment passed by Honorable Supreme Court in one matter, did not consider this petition. There is more than 2,200 vacancies. 1,200 has been called. Other vacant posts are there. Petitioner will be sufferer if the judgment is misinterpreted. 18th is the last day.
Can you give any date? I have 60 to 70 candidates in 8 petitions.
I have one.
In 8 petitions, I have 60 to 70 and give to one matter because of that matter. They are also candidate or entitled candidate because they misconstrue it completely.
And they are crossing their age. If they do not get chance in this selection process, next time they will not be able to
30, 40, 50, any day. Any day. Before 18, any day. It will take not more than 5 minutes. I believe.
And judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court is clear. Notification of NCT is clear.
12.
No. What is the application? Upon notice, I am mentioning one. Again, I